Hello, CFC friends. It is a beautiful, sunshiny Portland day. Skies are blue, barely a cloud in the sky. And today we are going to be doing a Connect the Dots project. So I've got that sheet in front of me. You can download that from the link in the description, or you can visit our Instagram at Creations for Cures. Click on the link in our Instagram bio and go to the link tree and then CFC coloring pages where you can download this particular coloring sheet. So some things I want to think about while you're doing this project are thinking about how high you can count for your numbers. So you can start from 1 here, 2, and move all the way around. Maybe think about what the end result of this coloring sheet is going to be. Take some guesses. As you know, some inspiration. Again, we are outside. You can see I've got some plants around here. So just a little hint there. But this is supposed to be really fun for you, just a fun, easy project. All you need are your coloring utensils and the sheet and your undivided attention just to sit down and have fun and color maybe with some friends or family. And then hopefully you can do that outside. Thanks for joining our YouTube channel. Subscribe so you can see all of our newest videos each week. We do weekly projects from all of our volunteers. So this is Kirsten just saying hello from Portland, Oregon. I can't wait to see your finished coloring pages. I will post a picture of mine at the end of this video once I'm done. Thanks, friends. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.